Disclaimer: the views expressed in this video or YouTube channel is for entertainment and education purpose only. I am not the financial advisor. Before investing on any asset class, please do your due diligence and research. Your investments are your own responsibility and only invest what you afford to lose. Crypto Wealth Code.
How to buy Bitcoin and altcoins on Binance safely. Step-by-step guide for 2022. In this short video, I'll be giving you a detailed and easy to follow step-by-step guide on how to get your hands on Bitcoin on exchanges, and for convenience, I will be using Binance platform, which is one of the biggest and trusted exchange. Open an account, register on Binance. 1. Go to the description of this video and click the link to open an account on Binance. 2. You have to either register with your phone or email, Apple or Google account. 3. Fill out the details correctly, and after registering, you need to verify your account. 4. Click on the Verify and fill your details, KYC, to be eligible to deposit, withdraw and trade on Binance platform. 5. After successful verification, now you can buy Bitcoin and other crypto with various ways provided on the platform. Steps to buy Bitcoin/altcoins on Binance. 1. Bank deposit, Swift bank transfer. You can use your local bank account, check availability, to deposit USD to buy Bitcoins on Binance. Choose your currency, choose your bank, enter your details and complete the process as instructed. 2. Buy credit, debit card. You can use your credit and debit cards to buy Bitcoins easily. Enter the amount, details and complete the transaction. If you want, you can also activate recurring buys in certain interval as DCA, dollar cost averaging, approach irrespective of the market value of Bitcoin. 3. Peer-to-peer. Peer-to-peer exchange is a marketplace where people can trade crypto directly with each other on their own terms, in virtually any country. Binance peer-to-peer is another good way to buy crypto locally with individual. All you have to do is accept the order, send deposit to their desired payment account and receive your Bitcoin on your wallet. But, always choose verified merchant having at least 95% trade completion history. 4. Third-party payment processors. You can even use third-party to fund your wallet. Currently, they support Simplex and 𝐵�0𝐴 to buy Bitcoin. 5. Transfer from your friends and family. Last but not the least, this is by far the most easy method. It's similar like peer-to-peer but more safe and trustworthy. You can ask your closed ones, friends to transfer crypto, ESP stablecoins like USDT, on your wallet and pay the equivalent USD on their desired payment account. All you have to give them is your crypto deposit address. But, be careful to give the correct address and correct blockchain network. Like, the same coin, e.g. USDT, which is on ERC20 network should have the deposit address chain of ERC20. If the coin is sent to another network like TRC20, or BIP20, it will get lost forever and there is no way to recover it. How to buy Bitcoins with Tether, USDT, or other stable coins. So, if you got stable coins like USDT, USDC, BUSD on your wallet, the easiest way is to convert it to Bitcoin on the market price. 1. Go to your fiat and spot from the wallet dropdown in upper right. 2. Head to USDT or respective stable coins. 3. There you will see an option to convert, click that. 4. After that, put your desired USDT and the system will let you preview the rate according to the market value. You need to click convert, and when the transaction is completed, it will be reflected on your spot account. Note, you can buy other coins with USDT by the similar process, although, the coin must have pairs with USDT. Thank you for watching this video. If you love content like this, feel free to comment, share, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to never miss any future content updates.